Hi, my name is Mitch with Farmblox. We're making your farm more efficient through the use of monitoring and automation. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the tank level sensor in the Farmblox system. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull out your monitor box and plug it into the tank level sensor, right? And that's going to be plugged in directly through here. Now if you look at the tank level sensor, you'll see it has a mounting bracket. This will allow you to mount it however you desire above your tank. Right? You can either clamp it or screw directly through the holes that we provided. One thing to note about this sensor is that you want to place it either 10 inches or 25 centimeters above the maximum fill that it's reading. Right? So at the highest point that you want to be able to measure, it needs to be placed 10 inches or 25 centimeters above that. So that's something to keep in mind when you're thinking about placement of the sensor. Now, in order to set it up in the app, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the app on your phone. Right? Now, you're going to go to the Devices tab, right, and say Add New. Right, and give it a monitor type, which is Tank Level Sensor, right, and give it a name. So we'll call it Tank 1. Right? Now, at this point, it'll ask you to measure the distance from the bottom and the distance from the top. So that's the distance from the maximum fill capacity and the distance to the lowest point of the tank, so when it's totally empty. Right? This will allow us to be able to measure the capacity of the tank. So you'll measure these out with a tape measure and enter them into the app. And then you'll give it the volume of the tank. At this point, you'll click Add and Scan. Now, just like all of our other devices, you'll tap your phone to the device in order to scan it. After that, you'll hold the button down for 1 second. And then on the app, you should see that it successfully is installed.